In the annals of archaeology, few discoveries have captivated the world quite like Ötzi the Iceman. Unearthed in 1991 from a melting glacier in the Ötztal Alps, this remarkably preserved natural mummy offered an unprecedented window into Copper Age Europe. For over 3 decades, Ötzi has been a silent ambassador from 5,300 years ago, his body and belongings revealing intimate details about his life, his health, and the world he inhabited. Yet despite extensive research, some of Ötzi's deepest secrets remained elusive, obscured by the limitations of early scientific techniques and even by the very process of his discovery. Now, a groundbreaking genomic study published in 2023 has peeled back these final layers of mystery, revealing a portrait of Ötzi that challenges long-held assumptions and paints a far more accurate picture of this ancient alpine inhabitant. The initial discovery of Ötzi by German tourists Helmut and Erika Simon was, in itself, a stroke of immense fortune. His body, along with his remarkably intact clothing and equipment, had been naturally mummified by the ice, offering a time capsule unlike any other. Early investigations quickly established his age, dating him to approximately 3350–3120 BCE, placing him firmly in the Copper Age. This period was a crucial transitional phase in human history, bridging the Stone Age and the Bronze Age, marked by the nascent use of metal tools and significant shifts in societal structures. Ötzi's possessions, a copper axe, a bow and quiver with arrows, a flint dagger, and a sophisticated backpack, provided invaluable insights. His last meal, meticulously analyzed, revealed a diet of ibex meat, red deer, and various grains, painting a picture of a hunter-gatherer-farmer adapting to the challenging alpine environment. Even the cause of his death, an arrow wound to the shoulder, transformed him into the subject of the world's oldest cold case, sparking theories of ambush, ritual sacrifice, or a desperate flight. For years, popular reconstructions depicted Ötzi with fair skin, a full head of shaggy hair, and an ancestry from the Eastern European steppes. They were based on the best available science at the time, including a low-coverage genomic study published in 2012. Specifically, it suffered from a relatively low sequencing depth and a higher degree of modern human DNA contamination. These early findings, though revolutionary for their time, left room for refinement and correction as ancient DNA research advanced. However, the 2023 study, led by a team including Kay Wang and Johannes Kraus, has dramatically revised this image. Utilizing a high-coverage genome sequence with significantly reduced modern DNA contamination, the improved sequencing techniques, leveraging Illumina technology, allowed the researchers to generate a much cleaner profile, enabling them to distinguish between genuine ancient DNA signals and modern contaminants with far greater precision. Perhaps the most striking revelation concerns Ötzi's physical appearance. Contrary to the pale figure we knew, Ötzi likely had a much darker complexion. The new DNA analysis confirms that this dark pigmentation was Ötzi's natural skin tone, rather than an artifact of preservation. It suggests that lighter skin tones are a more recent development, linked to changes in diet and sunlight as populations shifted to agriculture. Equally surprising is the truth about Ötzi's hair. The genetic data strongly indicates that Ötzi was predisposed to male pattern baldness. In fact, he was likely bald at the time of his death. It's a powerful reminder that our interpretations of the past are constantly evolving. This finding suggests that Ötzi belonged to a relatively isolated alpine population that experienced limited gene flow. This isolation also clarifies a long-standing puzzle regarding Ötzi's genetic connection to modern Sardinians. The Sardinian population, due to its island geography, has preserved a genetic legacy that closely mirrors that of early European farmers. The story of Ötzi is a testament to the power of scientific innovation. Each new study brings us closer to understanding an entire epoch. He is no longer just a frozen relic, but a vibrant, complex individual whose genetic code continues to unlock the secrets of our ancient world.